Okay, so this is gonna be a video response, or just, I guess, an update to this video. My first one about the alarm system.
And then it's keypads, these are all touchscreen.
Because I got a lot of questions about where did you buy the lighting interface? How did you set it up? Dude, why didn't you show us before you hooked it up? And all that. And a few other questions. Hold on, let me see. Nope, that's about it actually. But I'll take you around. I'll show you the alarm system, the keypads, where I got them, the X10 devices, how that's all set up, and where you can buy those as well, and how easy it is to do. So if you have a hardwired alarm system ready, it is pretty easy to do, and I'll kind of show you just a little bit of that. Alright, so let me take you around. Okay, so we'll start here. We have two keypads in the house. There used to be Brinks keypads. Brinks did all the hard work. I bought these keypads at aesecurity.com, and then the alarm system, the panel itself, the motion, and the siren were part of the package. And I think I got that at like DIYsecurity-something.com. I'm not sure, I forget. So these are the keypads, 6271C. I don't know. I think I probably just messed that up. But just to take you around real quick. There's like glare, sorry. These are the lighting. You cannot program the name of the outputs on the lighting, so you just kind of got to remember on your keypad that this is the family room. This is your security. You got your way, stay, night. People say, I've read online, that you need to buy one of those other keypads to program the system. Not true. You can do it from here. I did it from here. You get a nice same keypad, like a virtual keypad of the other thing, and you literally just program it. The responsiveness is nice and it's fast, so you don't need that other keypad. It's a waste of $60, to be honest. So I have the alarm system. Everything's set up. Again, we use the same wiring as Brinks. The sensors on the windows and the doors are Brinks, because that's just a simple magnet and an open and closed circuit, so that's compatible with the system. I literally just took off the Brinks keypads and installed these. There's 4 wires going to here, and it's like plus minus, a data and a clock wire, and you literally just put in the new keypad, and the same goes for the motion and the siren upstairs. So that was really easy to install. Probably took around 2 hours tops probably. And when you fire it up, you'll have to program the system, but it's extremely user-friendly, I think. The Ademco boards are very friendly. They give a nice programming manual, and that took a little getting used to, but once you get used to it, you'll enjoy the system a lot. So I think the coolest thing about the system is the ability to control your lights and the X10 devices. So I'll kind of show you how that works and where I got those as well. So let's do that. So I think probably the coolest thing about the system is probably the ability to control your lights and the X10 devices that are compatible with the Vista 20p board. So I'll take you around and show that right now. So for example, it's Christmas time, so we got our Christmas lights set up, and you just, hold on. Okay. So how this works is, I bought all the X10 devices off of eBay. You get the keypads, these things are probably like $3. Lighting modules run about $6 to $7 a piece, and you just install them like a light switch. So how it works is, this will send a wireless signal to a transceiver, is that what it is? A transceiver in the family room that we have hooked up, and that'll input an X10 signal into the electrical wiring of the house, and then that will the signal will get to a module that is connected to the lights or a lamp, and that'll either turn the lights on or off. So that's how X10 works. To get that working was a little trial and error. You have 2 phases of electricity in your house usually. So I had to buy this thing that you hook up behind your dryer, and it's a phase coupling. I don't know how to say that word, to be honest. and it allows the two phases of electricity to talk to one another. So for example, if I didn't have this, probably half of the X10 devices that I have in my house wouldn't work. So that you need. Also, I found out you need filters that filter out things that'll put dirty signals into your electrical wiring. So I bought a filter for the plasma TV that we have in the family room. That seemed to put if you just had that plugged in normally, the family room lights wouldn't work. What else am I missing here? So yeah, you get to, the cool thing about the alarm system is you can control the lights from here too. And that, let me take you and show you the plug. So this is the Ademco Vista 20P board. Right here you have a group of wires that when you buy the X10 plug right there, you'll get that. What happens is when you press on or off on the keypad, that'll send a signal to the board, which then sends a signal down here. Here's the wire coming down. Yeah, it's not in the wall. Not the prettiest thing. That wire, the signal travels down this wire into this device. That'll send the signal into the electrical system, and then that'll turn the device on or off in the house as well. So that's how that works. Yeah. So yeah, the combination of the alarm and the X10 is extremely cool, I think. You can program the system to do cool things. So for example, if any alarm goes off, whether it's one of these or the siren goes off at night or whatever, I have it programmed so all the lights in the house will turn on. Any light that has an X10 device, it gets an all-on signal and they all turn on. So that's kind of cool. When the back door gets open and it starts counting down for you to put in the code, I have the family room lights go on. So that's nice when you walk in the door at night, the lighting turns on. So that's pretty cool. What else am I missing? To do this, the X10, really cheap. I would recommend that even if you don't have the security system to implement this. Is I don't know, under $100 off of eBay. I didn't show you my app on the iPhone yet. You can buy this app. It cost $9.99, and this sends a signal to a server on our upstairs computer, and then you can control the lights from there as well. It puts the signal in the electrical system, just like everything else, and you can control your lights anywhere in the world. So that's kind of cool as well. But yeah, that's a little update. I think I answered everyone's question. I got a message too. So if I didn't answer another question, just send me a message on YouTube and I can get back to you. The programming, did I go over the programming yet? I don't know. That was easy. To do it, extremely easy, I think. There's a lot of forums and stuff on the internet that people help you out with, and it was fun. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks.